Good morning everyone, so come back to my channel. So today we're going to continue the LeetCode 75, and so our questions now is like is subsequence. So what exactly the subsequent is? So for instance, like given to string of or s and t, and then returning true if the s is a subsequence of t over there. So so what exactly means by subsequence? So subsequent essentially a string, the new string that is a form to the original strings by deleting or some or can be known of the characters without disturbing the relative positions of the remaining characters. So for instance, we have the ace, which is a subsequence of ABC. So let's take a look at example here. So we have ABC and also string on the t variables there. So let's say we have ABC, and we want to check if the t is subsequent to the s. So we can define A, H, B, G, and D, and C, right? So A is like pointing map to the A, B pointing to the B, C pointing to C. So we know the sequence is like correct. So that's why we're returning a true over here. So let's take a look on the second example. So we have S strings and T strings. So this is returning false because we're not able to find the X on the T string over there. So that's why it's returning a false. So let's take a look how we able to address this issue. So essentially we able to using two pointers, and again so we're gonna to have convert the string to char array. This is because we want to have list of the character from this S and also from the T. The idea is that we have index that we can for that S and also T, so that we're able to search the index or the character linearly. And we have the SE as the index, and if that's less than the S characters, the size, and also if the T index is less than the T characters dot size, which is we want to make sure that we running if the conditions is matched. Otherwise we exit from the while over there. And the conditions if over here, so we want to check if the S chars particular index is equal to t chars on the particular index. If that's true, so we increment s by plus and also t plus plus. Otherwise, we only increment t index plus plus. The reason being is that we want to only increment the t plus plus when s chars is not able to find on the t characters the list over there. So let's run this. Okay, it's accepted. So let's try to submit the solutions. Cool. All good. So the solution is like works. So I think that's all from my side today. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.